added a series of live actors. We had to do that. Finance becomes interesting to the end user. Finance is generally considered as a very boring subject. It is perceived to be that way. People often find it either too complicated, or once they start it, they don't finish learning about it, owing to this complication and owing to they feeling it is not necessary. So what we wanted to do was, so making finance simple was a given. We had to do that. But we also wanted to make sure that finance becomes interesting to the end user. And that was one of the primary thoughts on why Moneyflix was born. So what we actually did was, we took the raw financial content, we added a series of live actors, a series of live characters, we added a lot of analogies, an actually movified story, and we actually added simple animation to break down the content for users. All this we packed together in what we call as a financial movie. Moneyflix is nothing but the world's first financial movies platform, where all these movies about finance are brought to you on this online platform. We have a very broad audience, and when I mean broad audience, it would be very interesting for you to know this. We actually have infographics and content even for somebody who is 12 to 15 years old. So finance is something which is not, we can't say that let's target only this age group. So I wanted to make sure, or when we were planning out on launching this platform, we wanted to make sure that the entire age limit from 12 all the way till 50s and 60s is encompassed. So we have something, like I said, for the younger generation. We have something for the new to market participants as well. We have some modules on how to pick stocks. We have some modules on insurance. At the same time, we've even made sure that there is something for the traders who've been trading for the last decade or trading for the last 5-6 years. So we have a financial movie on mixing the two technical strategies of Bollinger Bands and RSI together. So we made sure that the content is varied enough to make sure there's something there for everybody. Information always does not translate into learning. Secondly, all the content which is out there with respect to finance, although they might be correct, they might try to make it simple, but we feel that there has been one element that has been missing always, and that is to make the content interesting. Moneyflix's primary objective was to look into this aspect of thing which we felt was missing. The whole concept of financial movies is to make sure finance becomes interesting, it becomes memorable, learning becomes enjoyable rather than just because you have to do it. Financial movies is one part of it. The delivery in which, or the forum in which you deliver these financial movies also plays an important role. So Moneyflix is a two-staged process. One, you have the financial movies. Second, it is housed in a state-of-the-art platform. And why do I use the word state-of-the-art platform? Because this platform has so many subtle features that actually enhance your learning. If you would allow me to name a few, we've come up with something that is called as the Attention Waiver Assist, which means that when you're online watching a video, and when you're online, you generally tend to go to another web page, or you sometimes tend to go to another window. Whenever you do that, the video automatically pauses, just to tell you that, hey, listen, you're not paying attention. And when you come back to that portal page, the video again starts playing automatically. So we've added a lot of subtle nuances to make sure that our giving is one step ahead from a technological standpoint as well. So we have a very, very interesting marketing campaign, and I'm sure you get a lot of people saying this line, but our marketing campaign launches only on the 27th of this month, and it is sure to raise eyeballs because there is a very strong pun on the marketing campaign. The marketing campaign does not suggest what our product is in the beginning. It actually intrigues you in what we are actually trying to do. I'm not able to actually divulge what the campaign is per se, but it is something so unique. And this I mean from a content perspective, not from how we are marketing or what is our medium we are marketing in perspective. I mean this.